No, but girl, do me a favor. Okay, go to your fridge and in that bottom drawer with all those bags of vegetables that you bought for that other recipe or that you bought last week and you said you were going to use them tonight. Make a stir fry. Just make a stir fry. Okay? Anything you have. You might not have these same ingredients that I'm using, but I know you got something. So go ahead and make a stir fry, but use these seasonings that I'm using. It's gonna make your dish taste bomb, I promise you. Those vegetables are lonely as hell, girl. Use them up tonight. Don't